a beautiful day.
Has the in-wheel time review of the Infiniti QX60. Go, Mr. Morris.
So this is the 2024 Infiniti QX60 Autograph all-wheel drive. Now this vehicle was redesigned in 2022, so they've kind of cleaned it up and made a few little updates to it for 2024. There's still 4 trim levels: the Pure, the Luxe, the Sensory, and the Autograph, which is the one that we have. So we were riding in some real style here with the top of the line. This is a 3-row mid-sized luxury SUV. It can be 6 or 7 passenger. Ours was a 6-passenger because we had the second row captain's chairs. And on the outside of it, of course, you're going to find that they've got the new Radiant grille emblem, got a lighting package that includes the adaptive headlights, black roof rails, got power folding heated side mirrors, a power lift gate, got a panoramic sunroof. And the vehicle comes standard with some 18-inch wheels, but we happen to be rolling on the 20-inch aluminum wheels that look really, really nice. Going to the inside, you're looking at the leather seating surfaces with some ash wood trim. It's really sharp-looking wood trim there. It's real wood. First row has got power seating, got that's heated, got massaging on the first row.
Oh.
Second row is heated because we do have the captain's chairs in there. Up front, we got a 12.3-inch center stack monitor, and that's where you're going to find all your convenience controls, your backup camera, all your warning systems are all right there. The driver has a 10.8-inch heads-up display, which is really nice, really big. You get a lot of information up there.
Can you see the cars ahead of you?
If you look over the top of the HUD.
Just checking.
Yeah,
Is it configurable, though, the driver's eye instrument?
Some of it is, yes.
That's cool. I like that. I think that's a great feature.
And we also happen to be rolling with the Bose 17-speaker audio system with lots of USB ports and power wireless charging for your cell phone. Now, up under the hood, we had a 3.5-liter V6, 295 horsepower, 270 pound-feet of torque, backed by a 9-speed automatic transmission. Properly equipped, this vehicle will tow 6,000 pounds. EPA says you should be looking for 20 out in the city, Highway 25, combined 22. Now, I drove this vehicle 461 miles, pretty busy week. I got 20.9 miles per gallon average for that 461 miles.
That's pretty good.
There are 5 drive modes, so you get a lot of selections there that you can choose to drive it. It's very easy to drive in the city. Even though it's a 3-row vehicle, it's not that big, and the steering end, it's very responsive, and it's very comfortable to drive out on the highway. You can sit there and cruise. I can see you running this all the way across Texas for about 20 hours. Now, the base QX60, you can get into this vehicle for $50,485. Now, the base Autograph is sitting at $66,100, and the MSRP on the vehicle we were driving is $69,240. You're looking for something to compare it to, you might look at an Acura MDX, starts at $49,850. The Audi Q7 steps up to $55,930 to start. And then if you really want to get out there, go to the Mercedes-Benz GLE for $62,650 to start. But it runs right in there as one of those mid-sized luxury SUVs. It's got plenty of room and plenty of power for the size of vehicle it is. And that's my review of the 2024 QX60.
Did you have it last week?
Yes. Yes.
So you turned it in on Thursday?
Yes, I did.
What did you get?
I got another.